Hey everyone, welcome to the course. In this course, we're going to focus on disassembling and manual reverse engineering, the process of understanding how a program works when you don't have access to its source code. Every program you run on your computer eventually becomes machine code. Disassembling is the act of translating that machine code back into human-readable assembly instructions. Reverse engineering goes a step further. It's about analyzing those instructions, following the program's logic, and figuring out what the software is actually doing. This course is about manual reverse engineering. That means we won't rely on tools to give us answers automatically. Instead, we'll learn how to read disassembly ourselves, reason through control flow, and build a mental model of how the program behaves. This skill is critical because tools can fail or mislead you, but understanding the code never does. You'll learn how to identify functions, understand loops and conditional branches, track data through registers and memory, and recognize common compiler patterns. We'll also talk about calling conventions, the stack, and how high-level constructs like if statements and functions appear in assembly. Reverse engineering is a foundational skill in many fields. It's used in malware analysis, vulnerability research, exploit development, digital forensics, and software protection. If you've ever wondered how malware works, how cracks are made, or how vulnerabilities are discovered in closed-source software, reverse engineering is the answer. We'll start from the basics and move step by step. You don't need to be an expert going in, but you should be comfortable with basic programming concepts and willing to think carefully and patiently. Reverse engineering is less about memorizing instructions and more about learning how to think. By the end of this course, disassembly won't look like random instructions anymore. You'll be able to read it, follow it, and understand the story the program is telling. If you're ready to learn how software works at its lowest level and develop one of the most valuable skills in cybersecurity, let's get started.